Not receiving emails on your iPhone? Here's how to fix it in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. This usually happens because of sync settings, mail fetch issues, internet problems, or incorrect account settings. Let's fix it step by step. Make sure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Emails won't load without a stable internet connection. Open the Mail app and swipe down to manually refresh your inbox. Go to Settings and Mail, then Accounts. Tap Fetch New Data. Turn Push On. Set Fetch to automatically or every 15 minutes. Go to Settings Mail, then Accounts. Tap your email account. Make sure Mail is turned on. If it's off, emails won't sync. If your password changed, your iPhone may stop receiving emails. Tap the account and re-enter your password if prompted. Restart your iPhone to fix temporary mail sync issues. If emails still won't arrive, go to Settings, Mail, then Accounts. Delete the email account, restart your iPhone, then add the account back. Check storage space and make sure iOS is up to date. Low storage or outdated software can affect mail. For Gmail and Outlook, check inbox filters or spam folders on the web version. And that's it. These steps should fix an iPhone not receiving emails. Subscribe for more iPhone tips.